Families are searching for microschools that accept ESA, and most microschools aren't on the list they're searching. Education savings accounts put thousands of public dollars per student under parent control, and in 18 states that money can pay for your seats, but only if you're registered as a vendor. Here's how microschools get in. Start by registering with your state's ESA program as a vendor or service provider. The exact door varies. In Arizona, non-accredited microschools register as service providers and bill under tutoring, curriculum, or supplemental instruction. In Texas, you apply through the Odyssey marketplace with fingerprint checks for child-facing staff. Once the state approves you on board with its payment rail, that's what actually moves the money to your bank. Run your billing like the program will read every line because it will. Itemize each service with the date and the educational subject. Keep each order to one expense category where the rail demands it. ClassWallet rejects entire orders over one mixed line. And keep per-student records, invoices, attendance, credentials. That's what audits and renewals ask for. Register, get listed, bill cleanly, and ESA funds become recurring revenue per enrolled student. Your state's exact microschool steps are free at GetESAPaid.com, plus a directory where families can actually find you. Links below.